Today I'm taking an ugly sweater cookie cutter and making this adorable Christmas hoodie. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. Well, I actually made these hoodies for Thanksgiving with this thankful sweatshirt, so I'll leave a link in the description for where you can watch that, and we're just going to speed through it here and then get to the part where we decorate this hoodie for Christmas. And this hoodie is made from an ugly sweater cookie cutter that I converted into a hoodie. And you can get that cutter on my website. All of the supplies you need to make this cookie are linked in the description. So to make the Christmas version of this cookie, I grabbed my green royal icing in about a 15-second consistency. I'm just going to outline and flood in a pocket here. I'm going to do my best to make it look like a hoodie pocket, but I'll kind of shape it more with my scribe after I fill it in. And I'll drag the corners down to the bottom here out a little bit more and shape this the way I think it should look. And then once I've done that, let's move on up to the top where we'll add the strings to the hoodie. Just touch down, lift up your piping bag, and kind of give a little zigzag curvy line for the strings. And this hoodie is looking adorable already. You could add the words ho 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 or Merry Christmas to it, but I decided to add a Santa Claus royal icing transfer. But the neat thing about the transfers is you can make them and then you can put them on your cookie and see which one you like best before you commit to your design. You can also size things appropriately, and when you use royal icing transfers to make your details, you don't need a projector, you don't need to use a tissue paper method to transfer your design. You pipe right on top of the royal icing transfer printout, and I have a tutorial for those, so I'll leave a link for that in the description. So I'm just going to add a little bit of icing to the back of this royal icing transfer and attach it to the cookie just like this. And that's it. These ugly little sweaters or hoodies are done, and I don't think they're ugly at all. I think they're adorable, and I would totally wear this if I had it. And inquiring minds want to know, how would you design your hoodie? What would you put on it? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more ugly sweater inspiration, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of tutorials coming up with royal icing transfers and ugly Christmas sweater designs. Thank you so much for watching. Stay warm and happy holidays. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.